All right, so let's continue from where we left off. Let's look at our slides. So from the slides here, you can see that clearly we have been advised to use the if error like we did, but then the advice is that to replace it rather, the value error should be a null. So we are going to just make that amendment, and then we go to calculate the average, mean, and maximum for the three uh, uh, population shares. Okay, so let's go quickly to the data set and then take care of that. So I will start from here. Let me see. I'll start from here. Let's look at it. So in the first formula, we didn't introduce the if error, so I will do that here. We did for the other ones, but not for the first one, if you remember. So yes, it's here. So we select it, beautiful, and then we go to the end of it and we put the null there. So you put the null value here. Okay, so we got it. So let me enter now. I'll use the fill handle to drag it all the way to the end. Wow, okay. It's all the way to about 400 and something. Let's see, 400 here. Okay. Okay, so this is where we are. Okay, so I believe all the errors there should be fixed. And then let's also go and look at these two formulas here. Okay, so I'll just make a little change here just to fall in line with the instructions on the slides. Then I'll enter and I come here, I'll do the same, change this like okay, so I got it. Now so with this and that, the formulas are there. Let's see, T and P. Okay, so I'll select these two and then drag it all the way. Let's see what happens at this place. Okay, so it's doing fine. You will see that the values are pretty much the same. Nothing is changing. Only we are replacing the none with the null. That's all what we are doing. The other option is to clean the whole thing and then do it and then use the autofill to do that, which I think is also one easy option. So all the time we are looking for the easy option to do something because you may be dealing with a large volume of data which will take a lot of time going through the steps like this. So basically we are done with that. We'll come to this place and then calculate our average, which I know we are already familiar with the various formulas and so on and so forth. So I will continue in the next video. Thank you.